What's up, guys? Morning. Today we get to play on the lathe. Check this project out. We've got a flywheel off of a Bobcat, maybe skid steer, uniloader. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Customer wants me to take this 5.5 inch diameter and 3/8 deep so that he can bolt it and adapt it to crankshaft. So basically, he's taking and putting a newer motor in a Bobcat that he has, and he's got to adapt this flywheel over because he can't get one. So let's chuck it up on the lathe. That thing's heavy. What is it going on there? There we go. Can't even use my regular T-wrench because of these pins. Thing's not very straight. Good. Finish pass. Okay, flywheel's all done. Now I just got to take it off the lathe, call the customer, and get him back in business. So, thanks for watching.